Hi and welcome to this week's video. So this is a follow-on from the small olive wood knives that I made, and this time I'm going to be making some little cheese and biscuit trays really, and a wine glass tray. That's it's pretty basic, and I've decided obviously to use olive wood again. So what I did is I cut a template out on the laser, as you can see now, and I'm going to be using this for a guide for the template. So here it is, and it fits onto these pieces of wood. This was the sizes I had, so this is the sizes I wanted to use. This part's just for the thumb, and that part there is for your wine glass. So I'm going to narrow this down a little bit. I think it doesn't need to be quite as wide as that, and I'm going to draw the template onto there, and we're going to get these cut out on the bandsaw. Okay, I've just finished sanding on the bench sander, and I've got a couple of bits here that are cracked, and to be honest it really wouldn't make much difference if they were there. I think it adds a bit of character, but Starbond sent me through some of the medium thick black CA, and I've got their activator as well, so I'm going to try filling it with a bit of that. It will stop bits of food and stuff going in. So I'm just going to get a little bit of tape on this one here, so I'm going to fill the top first. And this one I think is absolutely fine, so there's just two bits on there. And I'm going to just drop a little drop in here, and then I'll be able to give it a sand over. These are obviously quite deep. So it's just continuing to drive in on down. Now this is a medium thick here. Right, spray a bit of activator on it, and then I shall leave this for a little while. Just to make sure that whatever's deep down has had enough time to cure. Actually filled lovely. That's feels really nice, so I think it'll be quite nice. That's it dry already. So get those out and we'll get them sanded next. So that's the new Starbond anyway. I've seen it on quite a few videos. Dries jet black, and it definitely does. Okay, now it's time to add some walrus oil. We'll see how this engraving comes out as well. So just put a bit of that on there. Once I've put a layer on, I will leave it overnight. Okay, I'll let that soak in for a good while now. Okay, the final part now is just to put the wax on. Now you need to leave this for roughly about 15 minutes once you've put the wax on, and then buff off, and that is it complete. If you want to get hold of some of this walrus oil and the finish wax, I'll put the links down below to House of Resin. They have it. They're the only place in the UK that have it. So if you, I think they actually currently might have a sale on. I don't know how long that's going to last though, so I would go over and check that out now. So I'll leave this for about 15 minutes and then I'll give it a really good buff off, and it leaves a lovely nice smooth finish on these. Where I used a super glue, it finished perfect, covered in that crack. So that's Starbond. I'll also put a link down below to them. That can be used for all sorts of projects. I've used it on a couple of different ones now. So the next project I'll be doing now is going to be, in this series, will be the chopping board, and there will be some resin used in that.